What's up guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Xman Co. Today we're making a quick short video for you guys just to show you how to make chili oil. We use this chili oil on almost everything. If you're a chili lover, over your fried eggs, your lasagna, you can even drizzle this over your salad. Let's get straight into this cook. We're going to make half a liter of this oil, so we're going to use half a cup of chili flakes, 1 tablespoon of crushed garlic, a tablespoon of ground pepper, and a tablespoon of salt. Our salt's infused by rosemary. We're going to leave this mixture to the side. We're going to use it a little bit later. Now it's time to move over to the fire. On medium heat, you want to heat up your oil. We're using about almost half a liter of oil. Remember guys, we want to make half a liter of this mixture. Once your oil is nice and warm, you're going to add the next ingredients. We're going to start off with our onions. We've got some garlic and ginger. Garlic cloves are perfect. We've got some cloves and aniseed, just a few of those. A nice add-on to this as well is some cinnamon sticks. Then we're going to go ahead and add our bay leaves. You want to simmer this on low-medium heat for about 20 minutes. Stir it occasionally, and then it's time for the next step. At this stage, you want to add your hot oil with the rest of the ingredients while stirring at the same time to make sure that nothing burns. Let it cool down for at least 2-3 hours. Then we're going to add it to a nice sealable jar. And guys, that's how easy it is to make an amazing chili oil. Now all we need to do is decant it. It's nice and cool, straight into a sealable jar, and this can be saved up to 6 months. Boys and girls, chili oil, perfect for those amazing dishes that you want to uplift and just give that little bit of chili. Guys, you know the story. If you like what you're doing, like, share, subscribe. Enable those notifications so you get notified as soon as we upload a new video. Thanks for watching. We cannot do it without you. We'll see you on the next one.